Ontario greenhouse tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers, partnered with red onion, zucchini, and romaine, a creamy dressing, and fixings on the side. You asked for a big, flavored vegetarian salad, and we are happy to oblige with this Mediterranean salad recipe. It is big, it is bold, it is very delicious, and it brings together many of the elements we most often associate with Mediterranean cuisine. Now, you and all your friends, anyone else who's lucky enough to try this salad is guaranteed to love it. We're gonna get started. Let's just get the dressing out of the way off the top. You can make the dressing with a whisk and bowl, you can shake it up in a mason jar, or just grab the canister for an immersion blender. Pour in half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, add a third cup red wine vinegar, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of our salad sprinkles, the ultimate salad seasoning, but if you don't have them, just use 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon kosher salt, half a teaspoon black pepper. I have 2 garlic cloves, they're finely minced, 1/4 cup of fresh Italian parsley. Now for that creaminess, a 1/4 cup of mayo, 1/4 cup feta cheese, and to balance the saltiness, half a cup of Parmesan. Brighten the flavors with the juice from half a lemon, then zip it up. You can then refrigerate the dressing until you're ready to use it. You're gonna be able to keep that dressing in the fridge for about a week, but honestly, it never lasts that long. It usually disappears within a day. Swear, you'll see when you make it. Now let's continue with this salad recipe and start assembling the ingredients for the salad itself. Let's start with all the fresh veggies. We're gonna give them a rinse under cool water. While we're at the sink, we're also gonna open and drain and rinse a can of beans. Today I'm using chickpeas, but Romano beans, cannelli, and even lentils will work too. Now grab a big salad bowl. We're gonna add a base of greens for our salad. I have 1 head of romaine. I'm cutting it into bite-sized pieces. Then we're giving it a rinse and a spin. And now here's a bonus round. If you have some radicchio, this somewhat bittersweet vegetable hanging around, we're gonna add it into the mix. It's got a beautiful, vibrant red color. You can add it to the romaine, toss it together in the big bowl. Now the stars of the show, Ontario greenhouse grown tomatoes, cucumbers, and sweet bell peppers. When purchasing, look for the Foodland Ontario signs or stickers remembering good things grow in Ontario. So I have about 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes. I cut them in half. 1 cucumber, the very ends trimmed away, then divided lengthwise down the middle, cut into 1/2-inch demi-lunes. Lastly, an orange and yellow bell pepper. We're gonna seed them and then cut them into bite-sized chunks. Time out. Part of the beauty of this Mediterranean salad is the presentation. And we're gonna suggest we present it tableside. You're gonna toss in front of your guests and then add the dressing and then all the little zhuzhi bits. So for right now, it's really important we get the look of the salad bowl perfect. Here's how the veggies make it to the bowl. We're gonna add a triangle of those tomatoes on top of the romaine and radicchio, then a triangle of those juicy cukes. Do a little triangle of the orange and yellow peppers. Now 3 more additions, the strained chickpeas, a cup of green zucchini, also thinly sliced. I'm also adding 1/2 of a red onion, thinly sliced. Let's add a little bit of something. Let's sprinkle the whole thing with some freshly chopped flat leaf Italian parsley. Looks gorgeous, right? But wait a sec, I've got a pro tip. Make sure you head to weekendатthecottage.com. Check out the full recipe because I've listed additional vegetables that should also make it into this salad to support our Mediterranean theme. Let's continue. Before we toss and serve, let's take this Mediterranean salad recipe from simple to amazing. We're gonna serve it with a few enhancements on the side. Grab a beautiful plate. We're gonna add some marinated red peppers. How about some feta cheese? Let's add assorted Kalamata and Manzanilla olives. Then how about marinated artichokes? Lastly, we're gonna warm up a little bit of pita bread. We're gonna cut it into triangles. If you don't have pita bread, use herbed focaccia. Okay, let me set the scene on how we enjoy this up here in cottage country. Friends are over for a visit. I've made the salad and dressing in advance. And then when people get hungry, we head to table and I serve straight from the bowl for everyone to enjoy. Give the salad a toss. Nice and gently, we're gonna combine everything. You can transfer a portion to a lunch or dinner plate. We're then going to get guests to add a little bit of dressing across the top of the salad. And then how about some of those enhancements? They can add everything they'd like to enjoy along with this beautiful salad. Off chance you've got leftovers, transfer them to a storage container. This salad is perfect for next day lunch, dinner, or a side dish, you name it. No two ways about it, this salad is it. Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and lots more on our dedicated YouTube channel. Don't forget to drop us comments and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And then when salad is this sensational, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Enjoy this Mediterranean salad recipe. Delicious, defined with every single bite. Got a little bit of everything on this fork. Sushi bits on the side. Pita bread, what's not to love? Enjoy. So good.